I wouldn't say that I fought against cancer. I would say I changed my life. I truly changed from the inside. I was diagnosed with cervical cancer in June 2021. And they told me it's not an early stage. So it was a huge tumor. And they had to do a big surgery to remove everything. That was, for a woman, a little hard. But they told me, if the cancer is not in your lymphs, you don't have to do radiation and chemotherapy after that. So you can go home and live your life like nothing happened. After the surgery, the doctor came and said, there was no cancer in your lymphs. And I said, oh, thank you. And I asked her, is it possible that the cancer comes back? Yes, it's possible in this area where the cancer was. It's possible that it comes back. Because of that, I was a little in fear, and I often thought of it. What if it comes back? 7 months later, it came back. I had lots of pain and went to the doctors, and they looked for it and found another tumor. It wasn't very big. There was another surgery. And then they said, so now you have to do chemotherapy and radiation. And I said, in this area, radiation and chemotherapy, I can't do that to my body. I can't do that. No way. And I asked the doctor, I know that everything is disturbed in this area. So I asked the doctor, would you tell your wife to do this radiation and chemotherapy, to do this to her body? Yes, of course. If I wanted to have more than 2 years with her, I would tell her to do it. This is 1 year. 1 year ago, the 2 years were over. That he told me it's 3 years ago. But unfortunately, after that, a short time after that, I realized my body tells me there's something wrong. And I thought, okay, pain, maybe there's another thing there. I went to the doctors, but they didn't find anything. But in this time, I came to the work of Dr. Joe. A friend of mine sent me the course, the formula from Unity. I did the work every day, and I searched for other opportunities to do more of the work. Then I found the placebo, the book. I listened to it and did the meditations for a long time. Not every day. Unfortunately. So a few months later, they found another tumor. It was very big, and it grew into the colon. So they told me we have to do a bigger surgery. We have to remove the tumor, and we have to remove this part of your colon. So after that, I went through it, I left, I did my meditations in the hospital, and I was sure that I'll get over it. But the doctors told me, now you have to do chemotherapy and radiation, because it's stage 4 cancer now. So you have to do this. We are really sure that it comes back in a year if you don't do that. And I have to admit, I'm not sure if the word is, that I was insecure. I really thought of it, doing it, radiation and chemotherapy. But then I get back to all of the work, and I thought, no, I can't do that. It destroys my body. I can't do anything to my body like that. So get back to work and do it every day. Do it every day. And so I did it every day. Then I found a wonderful community with a Walk for the World in Cologne where I live for the walking meditations. Now, today, I'm one of the admins in this group. I truly meditate every day since then. And now it's about 2 years and 4 months ago, and I'm absolutely healthy. No sign of cancer. Everything is fine today.